Hello and good morning. Let's talk about today's work. Make sure you keep track of your bell work. And you're going to turn this in week 9. Okay? So you were off Monday. There was no bell work yesterday. And today is finished. Ready for tomorrow. Okay, so what does 100, 300 bodily injury mean? Well, that means they'll pay up to $100,000 on a claim. So if it's more than that, then you'll have to pick up the difference. The max that they will pay out on claims, plural, is 300,000. Property damage of 50,000. What does that mean? Well, that means if you wreck into a house and cause more than $50,000 damage, you will be responsible. All right, so week 9 in bell work. Those of you who did not turn it into Canvas, I'm going to give you one more day. If it's not turned in by tomorrow, I'm going to go back and change that grade, because remember, I just paid it forward as if everyone did it. I am going to check that. Also, if you took chapter 3 test and you like your grade, make sure I record that. So come see me right after class today. And if you want that grade, come see me. If you missed chapter 3, don't worry about it. Okay, it's a gift. Be thankful that I'm not recording it. Okay? So for today, you're going to finish 1 through 8 if you didn't already do that. You're going to work the rest of 4.3, 9 through 19. And then I want you to read. Make sure you check your answers. Okay? So when I look around, I should see you occasionally flip to the back of the book. Let's talk about today's work with college algebra, my 7th period class. All right, so we're going to complete the square on this. Make sure you put your bell work. Today's goes at the bottom, 1019. And then make this week 1-2, because it's the second marking period. All right, so anyway, here, what you want to do is move the constant to the other side. Remember, if you cross that line, the equal sign, it changes to a negative in this case. You take half of the middle term, and then you square it. Well, half of 12 is 6, and 6 squared is 36. So I want to add 36 right here, and I want to add 36 over here. This right here becomes something called a perfect square triangle. This right here, let me think. This is 36. This is 23. And if you subtract that, it looks like 13. Okay? Now here, this is going to be a minus and a positive. It's going to give you 2 minuses. So it's going to be k minus 6 times 6 is 36. You're going to take the square root of both sides. This cancels. So you're going to get k minus 6 is equal to a plus or minus. I'm going to say that again. A plus or a minus square root. Okay? One's the plus and one's the minus of the square root of 13. You're going to move the 6 to that side. So your final answer is going to be 6 plus the square root of 13 and 6 minus the square root of 13. And then you're done. And that's how you do that. Now you do have to get your calculator and go a little further. I'm only going to do one of these. So I'm going to do the square root of 13. So 13 square root plus 6. And so that answer is going to be 9.6. Approximately. And that's the way you do that. All right, today we're going to be doing a video which is going to teach you how to complete the square when the first term right here is not a 1. Okay, so I'll get that video for us. And then you're going to work the back side of this worksheet. It's going to be a little bit harder. You might have to deal with fractions. But there we go, and that's what we're doing today. So, if you missed yesterday, there should be a worksheet over here on the cart. Make sure you grab it. Okay? And I'm going to fill out Canvas for yesterday and today. And that's pretty much it. Here's the back side. All right. I hope you have a good morning. And see